Hello, ladies and gentlemen. We are Venbati High-Tech Farm, and we are very pleased to present to you our financial analysis for the broiler project. This project is a project for 45 days. 45 days, and it is over 2 million budget that was spent. I am Leslie, your vet tech and animal production technician. This financial analysis is for our broiler project that started on November 8th, 2022 and ended with our last sales in December 24th, same year, 2022. Ladies and gentlemen, it is further split into 3 parts. The first part is talking about the expenditure incurred. In other words, investment. The second part we're talking about is the revenue gotten. You can't do a business without, selling. And the third part is what are the lessons learned. The first part, which is expenditure, is subdivided into 3 other parts, which are expenditure before the chicks arrived the farm, expenditure during the production proper, which is from the day the chicks arrived the farm, and the expenditure incurred for us to sell these chicks, which were already mature for meat. Ladies and gentlemen, this financial analysis is for you out there, especially my African Americans thinking of investment in Africa. Poultry business or animal production as a whole. This will give you an idea on what awaits you. But I bet you, just watch and you will like it. So ladies and gentlemen, before the project actually started in November 8, 2022, we ordered our chicks from the Ozima Chicken. Ozima Chicken is one of the day-old chick production company here in Rwanda, and they are also involved in feed production. So a day-old chick at Ozima cost 800 francs Rwanda, which is 83 cents in US dollars. We got 300 of them, and part of customer care, we had 6 additional chicks, making together 306 chicks. We paid for these 300 chicks for 240,000 Rwandan francs. Please, our mathematicians, make sure that the calculations are okay. This 240,000 Rwandan francs equals to 222 US dollars and 83 cents. So ladies and gentlemen, a good poultry environment needs to be neat and have a high level of biosecurity. So as our preparation to get ready these chicks, which will be coming up as we've already given our order, we bought disinfectant, cleaned the brooder, and disinfected the room. The disinfectant we bought was used throughout the production, from preparing the chicks to come till when we had to kill them. And this disinfectant cost 10,500 Rwandan francs. In US dollars, it is $9.75. The beddings we used for this production was rice husk. Rice husk was what was readily available for us. Other people can use wood shavings, sawdust, depending on what is available at your environment or locality and at a cheaper price. We got 10 bags of this rice husk. A bag cost 1,000 Rwandan francs to reach here at the farm. And this is 93 cents. So we got 10 bags of them, which is 10,000. That making $9.03. So ladies and gentlemen, the other aspect, we had to make preparation for our chicks to be very comfortable. During the brooding stage, we had to use the manual brooder. So we got 2 clay pots. The clay pot we use to put charcoal, and then when we lit it, it's going to give heat in the room. So we got 2 clay pots at 6,000 Rwandan francs, giving us a total in US dollars $5.45. You know, the clay pot goes with charcoal as a heat source. And 1 bag of charcoal costs 10,500 Rwandan francs. 10,500 Rwandan francs is equivalent to 9.3 US dollars. We got 3 bags. In total was 31,500 Rwandan francs. And in US dollars, it is 29.3 US dollars. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Are you in the Bugesera district and you want quality eggs? Are you in Kigali and you want these bio eggs? Then Venbati High Tech Farm got you covered. We have layers. As you can see, they are pullets, and we start laying and attain 5% hen day production come April 2023. So for your quality eggs, you can call the numbers that are on your screen, or you reach us out through our company email. Murakoze Chani, thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, let us now go to the feed which they consume. We got most of our feed from the Gorilla Feed. This Gorilla Feed is one of the feed producing companies here in the country. And we got feed for both the starter stage and the grower stage. What do I mean? The starter phase of the production is from day 1 to 21. Here, we still give them heat and give them close care because we are now like mother hen. And then the grower stage is from day 22 to 44. We got 9 bags of feed for the starter stage. Each bag of feed is 50 kilograms, which is 110 pounds. So 9 of them was 992.1 pounds. And in kilograms, 450 kilograms. We bought these bags at a total of 246.04 US dollars. Ladies and gentlemen, now let's go to the grower feed. The grower feed, we got 21 bags. And these 21 bags was being sold each at 29,000 Rwandan francs, which is 26.9 US dollars. In total, these 29 bags cost us 609,000 Rwandan francs, which is 565.4 US dollars. We got too much feed, which was not necessary. So that was the first mistake we did. So as we bought all this feed at the same time, we had to transport them. And the cost of transportation was 60,000 Rwandan francs, which is an equivalent of 55.7 US dollars. Now let's go to the other accessories. We bought drinkers and the feeders. Each feeder cost us 7,000 Rwandan francs, which is equivalent to 6.5 US dollars. We got 9 drinkers and 9 feeders. The capacity of the drinkers are 10 liters. Then for the feeders, we got a 10 kilogram capacity feeder, which is equivalent to 22 pounds. We got 9 of them. Each drinker was 7,000, each feeder 7,000. So for the drinkers, we paid a total of 63,000 Rwandan francs, which is an equivalent of 58.5 US dollars. Same amount for the feeders. Ladies and gentlemen, there are some aspects which I'll be giving a monetary value to, which was a joint venture between the broilers and the layers. But since we had two projects going side by side, at least part of it was consumed by the broilers. Now for the broilers, the rent we calculated for 45 days cost us 150,000 Rwandan francs, which is an equivalent of 139.7 US dollars. So now, ladies and gentlemen, we have seen how much we have spent for the preparations before the chicks came. We have talked about the cost of the chicks. We have talked about cost of feed. We have talked about cost of transportation. We have even talked about other accessories we bought to be able to run the project, like the rice horse, the drinkers and feeders. We are going to the production proper. So ladies and gentlemen, now that you watched the video, I hope you liked it. Please, if you've not yet subscribed, I urge you to hit the subscribe button. Give us thumbs up. Leave us with your comment. Tell us what we need to do to improve it and what we're doing right. Do not forget to smash that notification bell so that each time a new video is uploaded, you are going to be notified. You get a notification and you follow up. Please, we also urge you to follow us on other platforms. We have LinkedIn, we have Facebook, we have Instagram, we have Twitter, we have TikTok with the name Zenbati High Tech Farm. Thank you very much. See you in our next video.